Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to cancel your NBA League Pass subscription on YouTube TV. Are you finding that you're not watching as many games as you thought you would? Maybe the season's over, or you're just looking to save some money. Whatever the reason, canceling NBA League Pass on YouTube TV is a pretty straightforward process. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step instructions to easily cancel your NBA League Pass directly through YouTube TV. We'll cover options for both desktop users and those using the YouTube TV app on their phones or tablets. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tutorials. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. Screen shows YouTube TV interface on desktop. Okay, first, let's look at how to cancel NBA League Pass on YouTube TV through your computer's web browser. 1. Open YouTube TV *, head over to the YouTube TV website. Make sure you are logged in with the Google account that you use to subscribe to NBA League Pass. 2. Go to Settings *. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. 3. Navigate to Membership * in the Settings menu, look for and click on the Membership tab. This is where you'll find all your YouTube TV subscriptions. 4. Cancel NBA League Pass * under the Membership section. You should see NBA League Pass listed. Next to it, you'll find an option to manage or cancel membership. Click that. 5. Confirm cancellation * YouTube TV will probably ask you to confirm that you want to cancel. They might even offer you a discount to stay. Read the information carefully and click the final Cancel Membership button if you're sure you want to proceed. 6. Reason for cancellation. Optional, they might ask you to provide a reason for canceling. You can choose an option from the list or simply skip this step. And that's it. You should receive a confirmation message stating that your NBA League Pass subscription has been canceled. You will likely still have access to NBA League Pass until the end of your current billing cycle. Screen shows YouTube TV app interface on a phone or tablet. Now, let's see how to cancel NBA League Pass using the YouTube TV app on your mobile device, either on your phone or tablet. The process is very similar. 1. Open the YouTube TV app * launch the YouTube TV app on your device and make sure you're logged in to the correct account. 2. Tap on your profile * tap on your profile picture, which is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. 3. Go to Settings * from the menu that appears, select Settings. 4. Select Membership * inside the Settings menu, tap on Membership. 5. Manage NBA League Pass * you'll see your active subscriptions listed here, including NBA League Pass. Tap on Manage next to NBA League Pass. This may also say, Cancel Membership directly. 6. Confirm cancellation * just like on the desktop version, YouTube TV will ask you to confirm that you wish to cancel your subscription.
Top. Cancel membership.
7. Reason for cancellation. Optional, you may be asked to give a reason for your cancellation. This is optional. That's all there is to it. You've successfully canceled your NBA League Pass on the YouTube TV app. Back to the presenter on screen. So that's how you cancel your NBA League Pass subscription on YouTube TV, whether you're using a computer or the mobile app. It's a quick and easy process. Remember, you'll likely still be able to access NBA League Pass until the end of your current billing period. Check your YouTube TV account for the exact date. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.